Hey everyone, today I'll just be doing a quick unboxing here about this portable foldable fan by the brand Ranbem. This is an 8-inch fan. You can see it has a nice little base and it has a telescoping arm, so it's adjustable. This is the model right here. Otherwise, there's really not much to the box, so let's just go ahead and rip this thing open. Alright, so this comes in the color white, you can see here. Sufficient padding all around, which is always nice to see. You don't have to worry about it getting damaged during transit. That's it. I always need to double check. Sometimes they have a secret compartment that's tucked away and then I missed something when I first filmed my unboxing videos and then I gotta package them all back up and as if it was never open. But anyways, looks like that's all it comes with. Here's a very simple instruction manual. I'm going to zoom in here so you all can see what I see. Detailing the housing, fan, and other components of this fan. So it's pretty straightforward. I mean, there's plenty of angles that you can set it at, so it's very flexible. Here's some of the product specifications, voltage, charging time. It has 3 different fan speeds, so depending on the fan speed, the battery will last anywhere between 5 to 24 hours is what they're marketing as. You can see it's rechargeable via micro USB here. Would have liked to see USB Type-C, but at least it is a universal type plug. It also comes with a little carrying pouch with the brand name on it. Simple drawstring enclosure. So let's go ahead and take a look at the fan. Okay, so here it is. You can see the base. When it's fully collapsed, it's just a cylindrical prism. And then, if I were to prop it up, you can see the 3 fan speeds with 3 LED lights to very clearly denote what is what. And of course you can hear it as well. I have to say, for this size, usually small fans are kind of loud, just because the motors have to run at a higher RPM. But this one's relatively quiet. This is the highest speed right now. So giving you a quick tour around this thing, we have micro USB charging port right there. You also have 4 rubber feet here for a grip on a smooth surface like this one right now. It's a little bit not so grippy. Liked it to be a little bit more grippy, but unless you're like shoving it around a lot, it shouldn't be a problem. Okay, so briefly show you how to work this thing. So you can see this little turn dial here actually allows you to lock it to prevent it from, of course, collapsing it when you don't want it to. So it's a little bit counterintuitive, but turning it clockwise will lock it, and then turning it counterclockwise will unlock it. So when it's locked, the stand is firm. And then this part telescopes, and it's quite unbelievable, honestly, how far it can telescope. I would say it's a good 2 feet. A little bit more than that, maybe even like 2.5 feet long. It's pretty insane. So this is almost like a mini standing fan too. So you don't, not only can you put this on like a desk, but you can also put this on the floor. Here I'm just giving you a quick test here. This is the lowest mode. And then ramping up the second, third, off. So there's no way, unfortunately, to let's say I'm in second mode, I can't turn it off directly, or the first mode, so you just gotta cycle through the 3 modes to get it to turn off. But anyways, that's it for the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys were interested in this product, as usual, the product link is in the description. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys.